Welcome back. Today we are looking at the Haha Smart AI vending machine with card reader review, a standard setter in its class. As someone who manages multiple responsibilities throughout the day, I constantly look for technologies that eliminate repetitive tasks and improve operational efficiency. The Haha Smart AI vending machine with card reader immediately stood out because it combines advanced artificial intelligence, visual recognition technology, refrigeration, app-based management, and cashless payment processing into one highly automated vending platform. The commercial vending industry has evolved significantly over the years. Check the video description for the updated price link. Traditional vending machines often require manual inventory tracking, frequent inspections, and significant management oversight. This AI-powered vending machine changes that model entirely by introducing smart automation that saves valuable time while improving customer convenience. Whether you're operating an office building, fitness center, hotel, apartment complex, school, co-working space, retail store, or employee break room, the Haha Smart AI vending machine delivers a streamlined purchasing experience that aligns with today's expectations for speed and convenience. With its 6-layer configuration, impressive 252 can capacity, refrigerated storage, card reader compatibility, AI visual recognition system, and remote app management capabilities, this machine is designed specifically for owners who value efficiency and scalable operations. For businesses seeking additional productivity-focused equipment and buying advice, this related product guide may also be useful. The standout feature of this commercial vending machine is its AI-powered visual recognition system. Instead of relying solely on traditional product slot mechanisms, the machine intelligently identifies products selected by customers. This helps reduce friction during purchases while improving the overall user experience. Modern consumers increasingly prefer cashless transactions. The built-in card reader supports fast payment processing, minimizing wait times and encouraging more frequent purchases. Customers can quickly grab items and complete transactions within seconds. Capacity plays a major role in operational efficiency. The 252 can storage capability significantly reduces restocking frequency, making it ideal for busy environments with consistent traffic. Fewer refill trips translate directly into time savings. The 6-layer layout allows operators to organize products efficiently while maximizing inventory flexibility. Snacks, bottled beverages, canned drinks, and specialty products can all be arranged strategically to optimize sales performance. The integrated cooling system keeps beverages fresh and ready for purchase. Maintaining proper temperature is essential for customer satisfaction, especially in offices, gyms, schools, and commercial environments where cold drinks remain highly popular. One of the most valuable features for busy professionals is app-based remote management. Owners can monitor operations, track inventory levels, review sales data, and manage machine performance without being physically present. The black exterior provides a professional appearance suitable for upscale business environments. The design balances durability and aesthetics, making it appropriate for modern commercial spaces. Data-driven management enables owners to identify best-selling products, optimize inventory planning, and improve profitability. Having access to actionable information allows operators to make faster and smarter decisions. Performance is where this machine truly shines. From an efficiency perspective, the combination of AI recognition, remote monitoring, refrigeration, and cashless payments creates a highly optimized vending ecosystem that in busy commercial environments. Every minute matters. Traditional vending machines often require operators to physically inspect stock levels. This machine significantly reduces that requirement through app-based monitoring capabilities. The refrigeration system performs an essential role by maintaining beverage quality throughout operating hours. Consistent cooling helps preserve customer satisfaction while reducing concerns about product freshness. Check the link in the description to get yours today.